Hello, team. I hope you are having a great day. I hope you voted. If you went in person today, I hope it was a pain-free experience. If you mailed it in, great. If you walked yours in like I did yesterday, perfect. But just vote. So today we are not meeting, so that way you guys can watch the election pieces live and you can see what's happening. Hopefully you won't be yelling and screaming at your TV, but I hope it's pleasant. We'll see how it works out next week because we'll meet and we can talk about it. All right, so let's talk about what's going to happen or things just to think about for this week. I love this template. I found it online. So next up, this video is going to land right here. So as you are thinking about this week, a couple things just to think about. There are 3 topics that I kind of want to cover. Outside of that, we can cover it next week. So the biggest thing is that define project write-up assignment. Grade that one first. Release it once you grade it. I'm also going to show you how to do that in a second. And then grading the mind map, the interview, and the survey, again, Sunday by 5 p.m. There's also some supporting our students type information on the next slide, and I'm going to go into that one in a second. So as we start talking about this one, I know a few of you had asked, how do you actually post your grade? Very simple. If you don't want to do this yourself, you can let myself, Michelle, or Margaret know, and we'll release them for you. But once you're done grading, so this is just kind of, I graded these kind of quickly. They're not due today, they're due today later. So I'll go in and update these. But so you click on your 3 dots and then you go into post grades. When you click on post grades, you want to make sure that, you can say everyone, you can say graded, but this is the secret sauce right here. You want to make sure you click right here. Once you click, you want to find yourself. Once you find yourself, then you can go in and you can click on post. So make sure that you do this. If you, by chance, forget to do this or you select the wrong person, you are releasing their grades, which it does send students an email. So just make sure that you are doing that correctly. Again, if you are worried about doing it, let me know. I'll go in and do it for you. The key is just selecting yourself. After you've selected yourself, just go ahead and click on post. So I'm going to unselect all of this. And I'm going to say close because I don't want to do it. So there, and it goes back to normal. So that's how you post your grades if you're concerned. So I'm going to jump back to our slide deck. So as you're looking at this, Amy had sent this out earlier. And as a few of you know Amy Marcos, we always send out mid-semester kind of notes about student concerns. And yes, they're still working upstairs. So if you hear the saw, they are working in my bathroom. So a couple of really good resources. We talk every week about the SOS form. Fill that one out. Some of you have also reached out to the Dean of Students. That's fine if you want to do that. Depending on what the situation is, students aren't super excited sometimes about reaching out to the Dean of Students. We'll have the Dean of Students, like say a parent's involved, the parents will contact Dean of Students. You can suggest to them if that's something across the board to reach out to Dean of Students, because Dean of Students will turn around and email all of the instructors that that particular student has. So I noticed today you guys all got the note from Dean of Students regarding one of our students. They just do mass emails to everybody. So if it's one of our students and you're concerned, just send out the SOS form to them. If you send that out, Jody Pratt will actually communicate with them and work with them. Also, a couple of other numbers that I like, ASU Counseling, after hours, this number is great. They can also do ASU Counseling, do the telehealth piece. Also, there's, 360 Life Services for online students. There's a lot of resources. Also, one of my favorite ones, if they're a Mary Lou Fulton student, and let's say they are experiencing hard times, let's say they lost their job, let's say their car's not working, let's say they don't have money to buy food, they can click on this link or you can send it to them, and ASU, Mary Lou Fulton, may make that car payment for them. They've been known to fix cars. They've been known to pay rent, but it's like kind of not really a slush fund of money, but a fund of money that are available to Mary Lou Fulton students to help get them over the hump and keep them, afloat and, solve some problems. We've talked about sales over and over again. If you need that link, it's there. Basic needs and resources. Again, That's there for the, and then the Success Center is actually kind of the same office that you will coordinate with for the SOS. So these are just some resources as you're talking to students. We've had quite a few this week. We've had people die. We've had students hospitalized. We have students sick. So if you're not sure what to do, I wanted to make sure I sent this list out to everyone so that way you had some resources to share with students. So happy Tuesday. Let me know if you need help. Let me know if you have concerns. I will be around my computer this evening, so if you want to jump on or if you have questions, let me know. We can hop on Zoom and handle whatever. So I look forward to seeing you next week. Have a productive week. Enjoy your Friday because it is Veterans Day. So for my veterans, I know of two. So Patrick and Aaron, thank you so much for your service. Anyone else that I missed, I am sorry. I thank you for your service as well. So enjoy your day. For my veterans, go get all that free stuff. You have definitely earned it. Have a great one. We'll see you next week. Bye.